Hello, friends. If you've been with me these past few weeks, you know that on the surface we've been exploring simple art prompts. But underneath they were actually small practices for training us to calm our mind and body. Over the season, we practiced loosening our grip on the things that tend to tighten us up, the stuff that makes art and life feel harder than it needs to be. Things like control, perfection, and expectations. We let go of all of those. Each project gave us a small way to slow down, notice what we were doing, and enjoy making without overthinking it. Today's episode isn't really a finale. It's more of a reflection or a check-in, a chance to bring parts of each practice into one piece and see how they all work together. Each of these past projects held something simple, like line, shape, color, or some other tiny invitation to let something go. Now we're shifting from letting go to what can we make from them when we meet in one place. Letting go isn't about losing anything. It's about clearing enough space for something new to take shape, something that still carries the best parts of what came before. This final collage is a layered conversation between the moments we've had. Lines from the mandala, color from the negative space exercise that we did, and some of the doodling in our intuitive painting process. Everything showing up together to make something whole and unique. We started with taking a little time for ourselves, a bit of curiosity, and a willingness to open ourselves up to intuition and emotion. And now here we are, hopefully feeling a little more relaxed, satisfied, and complete. I hope you enjoyed this series, and I invite you to join me in the next series coming soon called Drawn by Words, where we will spark more creativity and curiosity by making art around word associations. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it, and please hit that like button as it really helps my channel. Thank you so much for creating with me, for slowing down, and for giving yourself these small moments. Until next time, have a peaceful day. See you soon.